Hi y'all, my name is Stephanie. I will be making the Frida Kahlo for you today. It's a lovely tequila-based cocktail that we came up with here at Argus, thanks to Buddy. It's a really great entry-level cocktail for anyone who doesn't really like tequila to begin with. So to start off, we're gonna make sure that all of your tools are out and available. If you don't have anything, go ahead and click on the link and get some of our awesome bar tools that we have. We have some tins for y'all, so that's pretty cool. We have a Japanese style jigger, a stirring spoon available, as well as a fine mesher and a hawthorn strainer. We're gonna make sure that our juices are all strained, no seeds, no pulp or anything like that ahead of time, just to make it a little bit easier for you. We're gonna do about ½ ounce of this, of lemon juice, ½ ounce of grapefruit juice. We're going to be including orgeat in this cocktail. Orgeat is a almond-based syrup that we make in-house. It has amaretto, brandy, orange flower water, and some sugar. So if you do have an almond allergy, make sure that you're using the simple syrup that we've provided. ½ ounce of this guy. Apricot liqueur, another ½ ounce. And this time we're going to be using El Jimador. It's a lovely reposado tequila, and it comes out really nice in the cocktail. ½ ounce of this guy. Ice. So if you have, whatever ice you have is going to work out perfectly. If you have a crushed ice option on your ice machine, I'd recommend using that. If not, whatever you have is going to be great. You're going to want to make sure that you're shaking your cocktail enough just so you're getting 2 ounces of dilution in there. Once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and grab your hawthorn strainer as well as your cone strainer. And then what we're going to go ahead and do is zest a lemon peel. So you want to try and get as little amount of the pith as possible for your cocktail. Hold that towards you, right over the cocktail. Some of the nice essential oils in there. And there you go, Frida Kahlo made with El Jimador. Enjoy.